what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids, and in today's video let's talk about the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro for one last time. So May 14th is the release date. OnePlus has made it official. They've launched some teasers and trailers as well. And we literally know everything about the two devices, from their design, their specs, to their pricing, even their packaging. Some of the packaging is also leaked. And in this video, let's talk about the OnePlus 7 and the 7 Pro for one last time, talk about all the leaks and rumors, everything we know. And also, in this video, I'll talk about the OnePlus 7 2019 launch event. So the two phones that are going to be launched have their, events. And I have the invite here. So we're going to be unboxing this thing and checking out how it looks. Nothing special, it's just an invite, but again, we'll talk about it. And with that being said, let's get started. So starting off, there's going to be two devices, the OnePlus 7 and the 7 Pro. OnePlus 7 being quite similar to the OnePlus 6T with, similar design in terms of the display and the back and everything. No, major upgrade. It's going to be the specs upgrade. So the Snapdragon 855, you have, 6, 8 or even 10 gigabytes of RAM. The same amount of battery life, the same cameras, the same everything. But the big upgrade is in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So you'll have a 6.64-inch Super Optic AMOLED display. So that's going to be Quad HD. So OnePlus is finally moving over to Quad HD for the first time ever. But this device is different. It's also got, again, Snapdragon 855, 8, 10 or even 12 gigabytes of RAM on the OnePlus 7 Pro, 4000 mAh battery, and the display we just spoke about is a 90 Hz refresh rate panel. So it's going to be smoother than, the 60 Hz panel that's on basically every device out there, except a few. The Razer phone is an exception, but most Android devices are 60 Hz, and 90 Hz makes it much smoother, and the responsiveness of the display itself is much better. So you will be enjoying content like high refresh rate videos or high frame rate gaming. All those things will be better. Also, there's a 4000 mAh battery on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Also, the cameras at the back are also being upgraded, and there's going to be a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle, and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. So you again have that useful functional triple camera setup on the OnePlus 7 Pro, whereas on the normal OnePlus 7 it's going to be the gimmicky triple camera setup with nothing but just low light sensors or a depth sensor. But the OnePlus 7 is actually exciting. It looks really good on paper, very promising, and the leaks itself, it seems like a different device from what OnePlus has launched in the past. The display itself on the front is curved, just like the OnePlus, just like the Galaxy S7 or the S8 or the S9 or the S10, all the S devices, the kind of curve that they have on the display, it's pretty similar to that. On the back as well, there's a change in design. Again, very curvy, very Samsung kind of design on the OnePlus 7 Pro. But again, if it looks good, if it's functional, I think it's going to work out. And also there's a pop-up selfie camera. So there's no notch. The display on the front is completely bezel-less. There's going to be a small chin and minimal side bezels. But all in all, the OnePlus 7 Pro is going to be a really good looking, device from the future. And it will be pretty similar to the Vivo Apex or, the Vivo Nex kind of devices. So again, the pop-up, selfie camera, the very, bezel-less kind of display design. And that's where I guess it's borrowing its, inspiration from. But talking about the pricing and release date, May 14th, it's going to be released in Bangalore, London, and the United States. There's going to be 3 events worldwide. I'm attending the Bangalore event. That's what the invite is for. And yeah, the OnePlus 7 Pro will cost around $750. So it's going to be in competition with the iPhone XR and the Galaxy S10e. But I think it beats both of them, and you should definitely go for the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's a really good device. And the OnePlus 7 will start at the same price as the OnePlus 6T. So yeah, nothing new there. And the OnePlus 7, if you want it, it's just going to give you this, specs upgrade. So if you just want to be on the latest specs, go for it. But if you want to try something new, if you want to, go up to the next level, I definitely recommend going with the OnePlus 7 Pro. And yeah, talking about this invite, if you unbox it, it's pretty, simple. You've got your invite in there that says go beyond speed, the OnePlus 7 series, 2019 launch event. And once you take it out, it's designed really well. And I'm, actually liking the kind of invites that OnePlus is making in the past years. They kind of do, something new every year. And yeah, you have messages from, the CEO, Pete Lau, and some things that kind of talk about the device and what they're going to be, what the theme is about. So they say go beyond speed, so it's just not going to be fast. It's going to be more than just a fast device. And from the leaks and rumors, the OnePlus 7 Pro seems really promising. And thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I'm sorry for not uploading for a while, but this is the video. Finally, I'm back on YouTube and going to be consistent again. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. That's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.